Hello and welcome to our tutorial on Geographic Information System or GIS. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to put your GPS readings into your QGIS and Google Earth. So, without further ado, here we go. Uh, the first thing you have to do in your manual GPS reading is you must have the waypoint, latitude, longitude, place, and description. But you could actually do this by just latitude and longitude, but these coordinates would make no sense without the place and description. And later on, these columns or this data, when being put into your QGIS, this will be included in the attribute table. So the first thing you have to do is in your GPS reading, it must be in decimal format, not on the degree, minutes, and seconds, the DMS format, not DMS. So after your reading, you'll have this data with you. So just encode them on Excel. So waypoint, latitude, longitude, place, description. You could have elevation if you want, but in this reading I don't have the data for elevation, so I did not include it from. So after you put it in Excel, all you have to do is File, Save As, and then in your Save as file type, you must choose comma delimited. Okay, the CSV comma delimited, not the Macintosh or MS-DOS. So CSV comma delimited, and save it as depends on you. Your GPS readings. You may put dates on it, 14, 11, something like that. But I'm just going to make it as is. So after saving that, in your GPS readings, it would be here somewhere. You have saved it somewhere. Make sure you know where you saved it. So GPS readings. You can actually open it with Notepad, not Excel. So if you want to do it in Notepad, make sure you do it by comma. So this was the waypoint. This was the latitude, the longitude, and the descriptions, place and descriptions. So when you have this CSV with you, you're now ready to put it on QGIS. So in QGIS, just go to Layer and add delimited text layer, and then browse for the file name. Go to GPS readings and click Open. So you would notice that the grid below is populated with the data we supplied in Excel a while ago. So the next thing is you could specify actually the layer name. Let's just leave it as GPS readings. File format would be CSV. So the file format must always be CSV because we're using CSV file. And the first record has field names, trim, and basically uh, with this basic settings. So in geometry definition, make sure it's point coordinate, and in X field, your X field must be the longitude and your Y field must be the latitude. You have to remember that. So the most important thing here is the CSV, point coordinates, X field is longitude, Y field is latitude, and the use of spatial index. So this, we're very good to go, and all you need to do is click OK. And then you'll be asked for projection, the WGS84 we will use. So click OK, and we have these two dots with us. If we are going to check for the attribute table, here are the things we have taken note in Excel. Okay, so we close it. So we're actually done here on the QGIS. So to check whether it fits in the map using Google Earth, all we need to do is right click and save as, and then we with the format keyhole markup language KML so that the Google Earth could browse and let's just name it as GPS readings, Google Earth. So just click OK after that. And in our folder, there's now the GPS reading GGE. So all we need to do is just double click that, and your Google Earth will just process it. And here we go. This is actually the LG of Libertad, and this is actually the covered court, and this is the main population evacuation center. So those descriptions and place is have been very useful here. So in QGIS we have all those in the attribute table, and then we put it in Google Earth. It's still here. Let's go. So basically that's it for this tutorial, and thanks for watching.